Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a few things. First, I'm going to be bringing up something that my boys use for hockey to practice with their stick handling and their puck work. It's called the Super Deker, and it was down in our basement, not getting much use. So I figure if I bring it upstairs, then they are more likely to go on it, and they've been using it more, which is good. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm also going to be cutting my son's hair, my middle son's hair. He has not had a haircut in a while, and he was growing it out for the hockey season. He was growing it out for playoffs, but that's kiboshed now. So he wanted his haircut, and then I'm going to be rebleaching mine in certain spots that were a little gold and toning it again, showing you guys a deep conditioning treatment you can do at home, and a couple other little things by showing you which self-tanner I use. So if you guys would like to see that, then just keep watching. Alright, so it's my turn to do my hair, and most of what was really gold was underneath or in the back. It's definitely hard to do your hair by yourself and at home. I do have a dryer. Just being a hairdresser, I have a dryer, but still there are times when obviously you can't see the back of your head too well, even if you have two mirrors, and just getting the right amount of bleach and all of that is difficult. So I just wanted to go through again. It's been a few weeks since I bleached it out the first time. So I wanted to go through and just touch it up. So now I'm just putting on my toner. You can see that my roots look really light because it kind of bleached out whatever toner was already left on that. So I'm just running icy through my roots, and then after I get it all on my roots, I'm going to pull it through my ends as well. Okay, now I am going to do a deep conditioning treatment. So I'm going to use my Joico K-Pack Color Therapy Luster Lock Instant Shine and Repair Treatment. And I'm going to put that in my hair, and then I'm just going to put a little plastic bag over my hair, and that will hold in the heat and really open the cuticle of the hair follicle. Is that right? Open the cuticle? Open the cuticle of the hair. Yeah, open the cuticle of the hair follicle. It's been a long time since I've been in the hairdressing industry. So I'm going to do that, and then once I rinse it out, and I'm going to leave it on for about 20 minutes, and then once I rinse it, I'm going to use cooler water to seal that protection into the hair. So now that you have the plastic bag on your head, I just used like a grocery store bag that you would put your fruit in. You can even use a blow dryer to warm up the hair a little bit if you want to add a little extra warmth to it. So now I'm just going to do a little under eye treatment with these LuxGold foil under eye sheet masks, anti-aging, nourishing, and moisturizing. And they are induced with nourishing hyaluronic acid, collagen, and coenzymes. Q10 helps minimize fine lines and wrinkles. Its triple layer structure of black soft spun lace fabric provides a cool touch, while foil and film form a barrier, sealing in body heat and delivering the greatest amount of serum for optimal results. So I'll just take them out of the package. Those are very gooey. Okay, whoa. So you just take the black side and lay that down onto your face. These are so nice. I've done it before. They're very serumy, so you could just kind of rub that in anywhere. And then I've used even my little rose quartz little face thing afterwards, and then done a little facial with that just because this is so slippery. So this will stay on for 20 minutes. So the amount of time that we're gonna let our hair sit. So voila, feels so nice, and actually does really plump underneath your eyes. So, and I'm totally seeing the Latisse is working. I feel like in the mornings when I look at my eyes now, it kind of looks like I have a little bit of eyeliner on my top lash. Like I can tell that they're coming in darker. So in another about a week or so, I will do an update on that in a video. All right, it's been 20 minutes, so I'm going to take these off. And then I'm just going to take, this is that little rose thing, take some of that serum and drain it down and just go up like this. This is supposed to be good for like contouring your face and I don't know what, but it's supposed to be good. So we'll just do that. Drain your lymphatic system on your face, maybe. I think that? There, yeah, for your cheeks. So the boys are getting into the groove of the online learning. The first day was like a disaster. I was like, I don't know how this is all gonna work. And I still don't really know how it's working, but I feel like they're doing things online, they're doing work, they're connecting with their teachers, so it's the best you can do in these times. All right, I think you're only supposed to do it for a minute, so there's that, and now I'm gonna go wash my hair. Before I go wash my hair, I'm just gonna let this dry into my skin a little bit more, but you can see like how hydrating it is to your face, so such a good little day spa at home thing to do. Alright, so I'm also going to show you guys the self tanner that I've used. I have been using this brand, this Life brand. It's from Shoppers Drug Mart. I don't know if that's just in Canada. I think it is. I think it's Canadian. I have been using this self tanner for years. I will use the Jergens Gradual Self Tan cream in the summer on my legs, but that's it. So this one I have been using. There's no rubbing, no mitt, no exfoliating, no extra creams, no time. Like I just have a shower, slough off anything with a towel, and then this comes out in an aerosol and I just give it a little spray. It mists all over my body. Like it'll mist down on my arms, on my shoulders, on my face, and then I am good to go. So I will come back tomorrow and show you guys, I guess, the self tan. I still have a lot on my chest, but on my face I'll show you that, and I will show you my hair, and then yeah, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright, so it is the next day and my tan is all developed. It takes about, sometimes if I do it in the morning, it'll take about by the end of the day 8-9 hours. What? Yeah, in a minute. Till it develops. So sometimes if I do it in the morning, then I will see it at night. So, and this is the toner. So I just used the Pulpriot Icy just to bring it back to just a nice, simple silver color. And I think I'm gonna go outside now and try and do some yard work because it's been a little bit chilly these past couple days and we haven't really been doing too much, so maybe I'll go outside and putter around in the garden. And my lashes are definitely growing. They look darker and they are definitely growing, so it's been about just over 2 weeks. No, just over a week maybe. I gotta check, I don't know. Anyways, so yes, this is the tan, the hair. I hope you guys are staying safe, and I will see you guys again in my next video.